Hello all, welcome to Advanced Numerology. Before I start the session, I would like to thank the Almighty God and all my deities for supporting me in starting a session on Advanced Numerology. Advanced Numerology is a combination of Vedic astrology and numerology. I am Anish, a numerologist, Vastu Feng Shui consultant and a Reiki master who would like to guide you with advanced numerology, a combination of astrology and numerology. Till now, we have heard about numerology, but we have never heard about advanced numerology because advanced numerology is a concept of Vedic astrology. With the help of advanced numerology, you can predict your numerological chart, we can draw a numerological chart, we can predict the current situation, the events of life, every events of life, good, bad. We can predict each and everything with the help of advanced numerology. We can also predict about the professional life, personal life, children, marriage, everything. Everything can be predicted with the help of advanced numerology. As we all know, the predictions of a chart can be done only by an Vedic astrological chart, but whereas learning Vedic astrological chart is little complex, as we have in astrology that we have to learn various things about the planets, the signs, the zodiac, the characteristics of planets, rasis. There are different types of rasis which we have. We have to learn about Navamsha chart. We have to learn about bhavas, trikons. There are various things which we have to learn if we are learning about astrology. But advanced numerology makes it easy to understand a chart and draw a chart, and wherein you can predict by yourself instead of consulting any of the astrologer or anything. People may find it difficult to visit the astrologer and to predict their good and bad. So here, by end of the session, you will be learning how to predict your own, how to draw your own chart with the help of numerology and astrology, and how to predict your own chart, the good and bad of your chart. And every day is a good day. Every time is a good time. So we have to learn to be happy every moment. So before we start the session, I would like to put some highlights on what all we are going to learn in advanced numerology. Okay, in advanced numerology, in this session, we will be learning the basics of numerology. What is numerology? How it has started? Various numerological, region-wise numerological sessions we have. So we will be learning the birth number, destination number, the heart number. There are various numbers which we have in numerology. So all those things we will be learning in basic numerology. And when it comes to the next level, we will be learning about the numbers and their planet lords. Till now we have heard only about numbers in numerology, and here we are also talking about planet lords. Planets come in astrology. So we will combine the numbers and the planet lords in the second level. That is in this lesson 2. And next we will learn about their characteristics, the numbers and their characteristics. There are different numbers. There are 9 numbers. We will learn about the characteristics of the 9 numbers, how they are good, how they are bad, good, bad, better. All those things we will be learning in the lesson 3. I'm sorry. And in lesson 4, we will be learning about the characteristics based on numbers. People's characteristics based on numbers. So every individual will have a number vibration on him, because as he is born on some particular date, he will be having some vibration on that particular date. So we will learn about the characteristics of people based on numbers, the numbers which they are born in. the numbers which is vibrating on them. And in the next lesson we will learn about zodiac signs and characteristics. Till now we have never heard about zodiac signs in numerology, but here in advanced numerology, combination of Vedic astrology, so we are also learning about the zodiac signs and their characteristics. How the zodiac signs are important in our life, how their characteristics influence our lives, influence a human being's life, people's life. We will learn all those things in zodiac signs and their characteristics. In the next level, we will be learning about special characteristics of numbers. Every number has some good, bad, special characteristics. So we will learn about their characteristics, detailed characteristics of people born on specific numbers, dates. We will learn all the special characteristics in this class. And in the next class, we will learn about the numbers assigned to the alphabets. Every human being will have a name. Everything has a name. In our day-to-day life, generally for everything we use a number, we use an alphabet. Every alphabet is assigned with a number. Those numbers help us in calculating the name and see whether that name is vibrating in a good term or a bad term. In numerology, the alphabets are assigned with a number. So every alphabet is assigned with a number. We have Pythagoras system, we have Kiro system. So there are various systems which we have. All the systems have a slight variations. So we will see the numbers assigned to the alphabets. And in the next level, we will learn about the predictive numerology. A step ahead, we will be learning about the predictive numerology. In predictive numerology, we will first learn about the characteristics based on numbers and zodiac. Till now, we were talking about numbers individually and zodiac individually. But here, coming ahead, we will discuss about numbers and their characters based on zodiac. Zodiac and numbers come together, have a different characteristics. So that thing we will learn in this lesson. And then in the next lesson, we'll be talking about compound numbers and the relationships. As we all know, there are various numbers, but actually there are numbers from 1 to 9. Beyond number 9 is called as compound numbers. So we will learn about the compound numbers and the relationships, how it influences the human life. And in the next lesson, we will be discussing about the natal chart. We will understand what exactly is the natal chart, how to draw a natal chart, how to predict a natal chart. Before predicting, we have to understand the natal chart and their houses and their numbers. In the next lesson, we will talk about the houses and their meanings. Every house in the natal chart is assigned